guys, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. It's me, your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Candace from Phineas and Ferb. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now, two more things. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go subscribe right now. Also, I hope you guys like our new shirts. Let us know what you think. Awesome, let's go see what we can
For
come
the
up
first
with.
step of making our Candace, we're going to begin by making two big circles for the eyes. Next, we're going to begin to add detail to Candace's face. Awesome, now we're going to begin to make the shape of the head for Candace. Now on the left side of the page, we're going to make what will be Candace's arm. Right next to her hand, we're going to make her torso, and it will appear as if her hand is on her hip. Now moving back up top, we're going to begin to make Candace's hair. Later on in the video, you'll notice that we're going to color in her hair orange. Now earlier on, we made one of Candace's arms, but now we have to make the other arm, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to make it appear as if her thumb is pointing at her. Awesome, now the next step that we're going to take will be to make Candace's legs. Fantastic, now we just have to go over and add a few more small details throughout Candace. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Candace with us.